How to create CCBill accounts. First, open your browser and go to CCBill.com. Here you'll find the option to apply for a merchant account. Click on Apply or Create Account. You'll be taken to the sign-up form. Enter your basic details, your name, business name, email address, and phone number. Make sure the information is accurate. Next, add your business details, your address, website link, what service or product you sell, and your refund policy link. Now provide your bank account information so CCBill can send your payouts. Click Submit. Your application goes to CCBill's review team. They may email you for extra documents, just respond quickly. After approval, CCBill will send you your account number and login details for the admin portal. Log in, create your sub-account, and set up your Flex form. This is the checkout page customers will use to pay. Run a test payment to confirm everything works, then switch to live mode. And that's it. Your CCBill account is ready. See the customer support if you need more help. Thanks for watching.